Hey everyone, this is Dusty from your Cultural Anthropology class. I wanted to film a brief video announcement to touch base about Unit 1, Module 2, and to also provide some information about the Module 3 assignment, which is coming up next week. So by this point in Module 2, you have all submitted your discussion focused on cultural identity. And I want to say thank you because those assignments, or from those assignments, I learned a lot more about students individually as well as the class as a whole. And everyone did a great job expressing the complexities of their own cultural identity or identities. So great work. This Sunday, September 19th, marks the end of Module 2, which means you'll need to submit both the Facts of Evolution assignment and take the module quiz. The Facts of Evolution assignment must be uploaded to Canvas using a PDF or a Word document before midnight this Sunday, and you must also take the quiz before midnight this Sunday as well. The quizzes are timed, and students only have one attempt to complete the quiz, so make sure you finish it once you start it and hit the submit button. As always, this quiz and all the other quizzes are open notes, so use your learning materials for your advantage. Moving on, Module 3 begins this coming Monday. Module 3 is different than the previous modules in that it's only 1 week long and it's completely focused on one assignment, the Cultural Sketches assignment. There's no other content pages or learning materials to deal with. What this assignment is asking you to do is to choose a group of cultural units. If you scroll down in the Canvas assignment page called Cultural Sketches, you'll note that there are 3 groups that students have the choice of using. Group 1 includes 2 cultural units, the Azandi from Central Africa and the Basari from Iran. Group 2 includes the Aztecs from the Valley of Mexico and the Ojibwa from the subarctic in Canada. And Group 3 includes the Hmong and the Roma. So once you choose a group, you will open up the Cultural Sketches document, which is linked in the Canvas page. This document will contain mini ethnographies for each group on the list. Students are required to read the ethnographies of their chosen groups. You don't need to read all of them, only your chosen groups. Once you're done reading the ethnographies from your 2 groups, you'll need then to write a brief 3-page report. Section 1 and Section 2 will be brief summaries of the cultural groups that you have chosen. If you chose Group 1, Section 1 will be about the Azandi. Section 2 will be a brief summary about the Basari. Section 3 is your opportunity to compare and contrast each group. So while you're reading the ethnographies, think about these cultural issues. Mobility patterns, were they mobile or were they sedentary? Subsistence patterns, were they farmers, pastoralists, or hunters and gatherers? What were their ideas about sex, gender, and sexuality? Religion? What's the status of violence and warfare in the communities? And how and why and if were these groups historically minoritized and marginalized? You can also talk about other cultural features if you would like as well. Anyways, those need to be at least 3 pages long. If you go over, I will never penalize a student for going above and beyond what is required of them. If you have any additional questions or require assistance, please reach out sooner than later. I'm here for you. We can organize a Zoom meeting if you can't make the regular Zoom office hours. We can also arrange a phone call, or if you're on campus, you're always free to stop by my office hours. Anyway, I'm looking forward to reading your next round of assignments. Take care, good luck, and let me know if I can help you out. Thanks a lot.